We are here in Dortmund at the Signal Iduna Park. Martin Tyler here, Alan Smith is alongside me. With great anticipation, we're looking forward to the match coming up very shortly. Borussia Dortmund against Liverpool.
Yeah, real buzz around this ground. Full house, a lot of interest in it. Hope it doesn't disappoint.
A couple of very good strategic players, you might call them, who can run the game.
Well, they play with their heads up, don't they? They know exactly where the opposition is and where their teammates are to make those little quick-fire passes.
This is the Borussia Dortmund lineup. In goal, Roman Bürki. Mats Hummels plays alongside Dan Axel Zagadou at the back. Axel Witsel starts with Emre Can in central midfield. And in attack, there are three forwards today. This is the Liverpool side. One thing to look out for from this team today is the way they try and win the ball back within seconds of losing it.
Yeah, and they don't do it individually. They get backed up by a teammate. They hunt in packs, and you've got to do that. You've got to do it with discipline.
Royce. Recognised the foul, but they play on because they've still got the ball. He fancies his chances of getting past these players. And he's dealt with it, that dangerous moment. Thorgan Hazard. Axel Witsel. Thorgan Hazard. Trying to turn over the play here. Throw in to come. Excellent tackle, and the result is a throw. Axel Witsel. The referee, well, he saw it clearly, and he obviously didn't like what he saw. That, at any time in the match, is a yellow card offence, and he's not going to escape the booking simply because it's this early.
No, he dived in. I don't think he or anybody else can have any complaints about that.
Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass. Excellent attacking work from Dortmund. Trying to spot a potential ball to open them up, but they're keeping the ball well. They shielded it well under some pressure there. Referee says free kick. Defender's done well here to clear the danger. Jorginho Wijnaldum. Sancho. Hazard. Ashraf Hakimi. Now a chance to get a bit of width into this attack. He's seen that room is on the inside. Well read by the defender. And he's caught that right, but just off target.
Not too much wrong with the technique there.
Was he right to take that on, Alan, from that distance? Off target anyway.
No, I mean, he's a long way out. It would have been a heck of a goal, but not far away.
Now they're looking to get forward from this position. trying to find the opening, which would be so crucial. They've gone wide, chance to get the ball in the box. Henderson. Corner now for Liverpool. Well, we can see once more the effort on goal from Jordan Henderson.
Well, it's a chance spurn, that. Maybe not the best decision he's ever taken.
Corner swung in. Dealt with the danger. Well, the cross could come in here. Good defending, no problem in the end. Liverpool have got a new man ready to come on. Jadon Sancho cut out the pass. Robertson, this does look promising. It's Mane, went for the cross. Well, the referee had a good look at the player who was down and decided it was serious enough to stop the game. While the injured player has gone off, we're going to get the game restarted with a drop ball. Hummels. Emre Can. Axel Witsel. Set up to play on the break now. Really at the extent of his reach to make that very fine stop. Pull it back here to set up a chance. Good block. Well, the attack had a lot of quality about it until that interception. It's offside. That'll be a throw. It's amazing, if you're under a certain age, you don't really understand quite what Liverpool means. The dominant team in the 70s and the 80s, but not too much, certainly not in league terms, since 1990.
No, who could have forecast that they wouldn't win the league in all those years since? When I was growing up, they were the team to beat.
Jordan Henderson. That was a vital interception because the attack was looming large. Royce. Going forward with real purpose now. A chance to play it into the centre now. And that'll be a throw. Royce. And the referee has given the free kick.
Is he going to be an in-swinger or an out-swinger? He can deliver these with both feet.
Put in with a bit of curl on it, and they get it away. Chan. Chance to cross it. And that was a very well-timed tackle. Put into the middle. The hard work pays off for Borussia Dortmund.
Well, talk about get your reward for hard graft. They've been at it from the start. Oh, as a centre-forward, I could appreciate the movement in the box there, and certainly the header at the end of it.
A good look here, again, via the replay of the goal. And that has opened the scoring, 1-0 here. Well, Alan, Liverpool will certainly get better than this, you would feel. I mean, they are a goal down, and they haven't really got into their stride yet.
No, haven't found their rhythm at all.
They'll be annoyed with the cross because it was the goalkeeper's ball all the way. Wijnaldum, Joel Matip, Roberto Firmino, Henderson, and that's no trouble at all for Roman Burki. We've got 4 more minutes to play, added time here. And that will clear the danger. Wijnaldum. Fabinho. On to Henderson. Jorginho, Wijnaldum. They look at the ref, and he says penalty.
Didn't hesitate, did he? Pointed to the spot.
Well, this is an awful way to lose a lead, really. They're going to lose a player. It was a penalty, and the red card has been shown.
Well, it was a penalty, Martin, yes, and having been in front, they're going to the work cut out to actually win this match now.
Hats off to the keeper.
Oh, brilliant stuff from him. Wasn't going to be boxed out.
Not the best penalty, but a very good save.
Well, he's moving on the line. He makes the goal look small.
Oh, it's a dreadful penalty. Alan Smith.
I think that's a loss of nerve as much as anything else. Panicked a bit.
Corner's taken. Choosing to punch the corner away, the goalkeeper this time. Superb work to reach that. Great technique and great belief to feel that he could stop the goal.
We all love looking at goals, Martin, but there's something special about a defender showing those kind of defensive instincts.
Well, that's half-time at 1-0.
Vieni, 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 dai Azzone.
Quanti mobili troverai?
Vieni, 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 dai Azzone.
E da casa tua li avrai.
Vieni, 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 dai Azzone.
Vieni e non ti pentirai. Vieni in bici o in carrozzella, ma vieni a Biella, ma vieni a Biella. Vieni in auto, in torpedone, perché Aiazzone ti piacerà. Perché Aiazzone ti piacerà.
Aiazzone è la scelta più biella del mondo.
And here we go, the referee's blown his whistle, and we're off for the second half. Throw in to come. shielded it well under some pressure there. Makes the challenge here. That is a free kick. And they've got a chance to really make the most of that decision.
Oh, he fancies this. He's a single-minded lad. He's going to go for goal.
It's great defending with the block. Now Keita. It's Mane. Roberto Firmino to Robertson. Now Sadio Mane. And there is going to be a substitution now for Borussia Dortmund. Fabinho, Jorginho Wijnaldum. The build-up is patient. Roberto Firmino. Maybe he'll cross it here. Jorginho Wijnaldum trying to run off the shoulder of the last player, offside.
That is a weakness in his game. Gets caught offside too many times.
Just a change now. He's bringing on a new player. Shielded it well, that's good skill. Hazard. Keeping the ball and looking for an opening. It looked a real chance, but the defender came out on top. Chance to go at the opposition with pace. Now Keita. Great interception. Hard work from Liverpool with this pressing game. Wijnaldum. Now Keita. Mohamed Salah. Floated in, back post. Well, we're 2/3 of the way through the 90 minutes, half an hour to go. It's good play to get a foot in and intercept. Liverpool will get the throw. Liverpool are going to make an alteration to their lineup from the bench. Here's Naby Keita. Gomez. Roberto Firmino. Clipped up towards the back post. And turned away by the goalkeeper spectacularly. Gomez. Van Dijk. James Milner. Robertson. Milner. It's good play, this. The opposition can't get at them when they're keeping the ball. Milner. Here's Naby Keita. Mohamed Salah. And that's really the way to get the ball out of the danger zone. Fabinho! Simple for the goalkeeper, Burki. Joel Matip. Fabinho. Trying to find an opportunity. What about this for a shot? Optimistic. What a fine save. Corner here for Liverpool. Goalkeeper rising to the occasion, literally.
Well, he's a long way out, and sometimes they can catch keepers by surprise, but he was on his toes.
He's put in the corner. On the move and able to cut out the pass. Fabinho. Milner. Roberto Firmino. Firmino! Goal! Liverpool are level.
It had been coming, the tide had turned. Always gets involved, this manager. Loves to hug his players after a goal. Great scenes. A goal from Roberto Firmino. And what a finish this was. Really did put his boot through it to find the left-hand side.
Well, it's a goal worth replaying over and over again, isn't it? So away we go at 1-1. So we're coming down now towards the last 15 minutes. Holding it up nicely. Brandt. Akanji. Axel Witsel. Now they can swing into attack, and he's got some help. Rice! And the keeper doing his job.
Oh, it's been a cracker, Martin, hasn't it? Possession fairly equal, as has this contest. Some great goals, some great football being played out there, and it seems to be continuing in the same vein.
Joe Gomez. Fabinho. Milner. Now Keita. Could be a cross here, it could be dangerous. Oh, the attackers come in, near post. Too close to the keeper in the end. Now Keita. Milner. That's not what he wanted to do. A poor pass.
Well, these Dortmund fans are making one heck of a noise in the hope of urging their team on to get a late winner here.
Brandt. Manuel Akanji. Hummels. Akanji. Hummels. Manuel Akanji. Axel Witsel. And it's going to be a minimum of 3 minutes to be played of added time. Great determination from Dortmund here to try and score what will be a decisive late winner. Now Sadio Mane. Robertson. James Milner. It's Mane. Well, that's it. We're level at the end of 90 minutes.